In this video, I will show you how to embed a Metabase dashboard directly into your website. So first, you need to be in your profile in Metabase. Then, next thing you need to check is that you need to open your admin settings. So right at the top right corner to settings, admin settings, and then here on the left, public sharing. And that you have this enable public sharing. You need to have that enabled. So if you don't have that options, then you need to contact your admin to unlock this feature. Next, go to the dashboard you want to embed on your website. So make sure, for example, this one, make sure everything is correct, title, filters, default data, and whether you see here is exactly what your visitor will see. Now in the top right corner of the dashboard, click the share icon right here. A pop-up will appear. At the bottom of the pop-up, click get embedding code. So embed like so. So Metabase will generate an in-frame snippet. Copy the right here. We have like that. Here you will need to enable the code. Now click here. You can choose here appearance, dark, light, and here click get the code. And like so, we got this embedded code right here. Now you can copy this code right here. You see here that we have Node.js options, Ruby, Python, Clojure, and we can copy this. And this is how we can get embedded code. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.